Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural healing and discussing the incredible benefits of Moringa leaf powder. So, let's get started. Moringa oleifera, also known as the miracle tree, is a plant native to India and widely grown in tropical and subtropical areas. Its leaves are a powerhouse of nutrients and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Moringa leaf powder is made by drying and grinding the leaves into a fine powder, making it easy to add to your daily routine. Moringa leaf powder is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It contains 4 times more vitamin A than carrots, 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 3 times more potassium than bananas, and twice the protein of yogurt. Additionally, it has all 9 essential amino acids, making it a fantastic plant-based protein source. Moringa leaf powder offers numerous health benefits. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Moringa contains isothiocyanates, which help reduce inflammation and alleviate related conditions like arthritis. 2. Antioxidant power. Moringa is rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, protecting cells from damage and supporting overall health. 3. Lower blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that Moringa may help lower blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting those with diabetes. 4. Improved digestion. Moringa's fiber content aids in digestion and may help regulate bowel movements. 5. Boosted immunity. The high vitamin C and antioxidant content supports immune function and helps protect against common illnesses. Add Moringa leaf powder to your favorite smoothies, juices, or baked goods for a nutritional boost. Start with a small amount and gradually increase to avoid potential digestive discomfort. While Moringa is generally considered safe, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before adding it to your diet if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a medical condition. Some people may experience allergic reactions or digestive issues. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the healing power of Moringa leaf powder. We hope you found this information helpful and are inspired to give Moringa a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Until next time.